IgA nephropathy and focal and segmental glomerulosclerosis, two of the most common autoimmune kidney diseases. And indeed, IgA nephropathy is widely considered the most common autoimmune disease affecting the kidneys. And so indeed, a range of studies you can see kind of all over the place in the world, Asia and Europe. And by the way, this is very, very common in Asia. Basically, the Mediterranean and Asia are the real hot spots where it might even reflect 15 to 20% of all kidney disease is IgA nephropathy. The incidence in the US is lower in the 4 to 5% range, so still quite significant, but not as big. So what I used to do, and I still sometimes do, is I like to call the adventure diet, which most people call elimination challenge, which is a little more descriptive, but this is more positive and exciting. And this only works if you can actually detect protein on a urine dipstick, if it's high enough to get a positive. Then basically they're monitoring their urine protein levels through the process. But in all these cases, we want to calm down their immune system. We want to reverse the fibrosis and stop the fibrosis. And we want to help protect their healthy cells as much as we can. So here are presentations. You can read that yourself. Again, this is one of the causes of nephrotic syndrome, especially in children. And SRNS is steroid resistant nephrotic syndrome. So